Namaskaram. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys Muttaiswaram and Saranam Gurumuchigarnantala. Let me explain Muttaiswaram and Saranam. I always think of your names with the desire. At the same time, I feel happy when I think about your cleverness. Marapodi means the beauty of Shiva can be seen depicted in various ways. Don't be angry, Swami. Is it time to play hide and seek like an arrow on a flower because of love he has for you? Gamapaka Madapa Gapa Magare Sani Sari Sari Gam Nida Gamapa Gamapada Madapa Gapa Magare Sani Sari Sari Gamanida Gamapada Gamagamadadanidani Dani Sari Kari Nidama Kari Sa Ni Sari Ru Amujuji Ajiva Vati Deni Takadimi Takadimi Tay Tom Takadimi Takadimi Tay Tom Tejum Taha Tatay Taha Ditay Taha Takadimi Tay Paramu Tana Velanuni Charitamulanu Vinjape Madose Velanuni Charitamulanu Vinjape Madose Dindinidu Parakrama Mulani Pakumirata Koniya Didivi Amuduji Vajiva Vati Devi Ma Rekodisum Tarada Gaga Rekodisum Tarada Gaga Tay Tom Dit Tay Tom Tak Kit Tay Takadimi Takita Takadimi Takita Takadimi Tay Tay Taka Tay Tom Dit Tay Taka Tay Tom Dit Tay Takadimi 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 Tay Tom Takadimi Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you guys next time.